Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Yumi. Today, I'll show you how to make homemade ponzu. Ponzu is a citrus-based sauce used as a Japanese condiment. It is made with soy sauce, mirin, vinegar, dashi, and citrus juice. Commonly, ponzu is used to enjoy hot pot, tataki, and sashimi. It is a very delicious and convenient sauce. Alright, let's get started. Let's have a look at the ingredients. For more details, please see at the end of this video. First, cut and squeeze the lemon and strain the juice. Prepare a clean glass container. Mix soy sauce, strained lemon juice, vinegar, mirin, kombu and katsuobushi in a container. Then keep it in the fridge for about 1 to 2 weeks. I strain it every time I use it because the kombu and katsuobushi release a lot of broth. You can remove kombu and katsuobushi and strain it all into a separate container after 2 weeks and store up to 6 months in the fridge. Yuzu is hard to get near my house, so I use this yuzu juice when I make yuzu ponzu. This makes it very easy and tasty. Homemade ponzu is insanely delicious, so give it a go! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in my next video. Bye! ほなまたね!